Okay, you say one slightly weird thing in a group convo, like you mix up gym with gym, and your brain's like, well, guess we're going to replay this 48 times while trying to sleep tonight. Relatable? Hell yeah. We all care way too much about what other people think. One weird laugh, one awkward hand wave, one typo in a text. Boom. Instant brain spiral. You'd think you committed a crime against humanity, but the truth is 99.9% of people don't care at all. Why? Because they're too busy worrying about their own shit. While you're panicking about that thing you said at lunch, they're still thinking about whether their breath smelled or if their jeans were too tight. But I get it. Just knowing people don't care doesn't magically stop the anxiety. Your body's still like activate shame mode when someone raises an eyebrow at you. That's why this video isn't some fake ass just be confident nonsense. I'm going to show you how to actually stop giving a fuck in real practical ways that make you feel chill, funny, and real as hell. Let's go. Your brain has developed this wild obsession with social approval. Your brain thinks a side-eye from some dude in class is a life-threatening event. Throw in school trauma, friend drama, and please like my post syndrome from social media, and your nervous system is out here having panic attacks over literally nothing. Your body's like, we're about to die, but really you just waved at someone who didn't see you. It's not your fault, it's just programming. But now it's your job to reprogram it. Let's start with the facts. You won't die from embarrassment. You won't explode if someone doesn't like your hoodie. That voice in your head, dramatic as hell. You just gotta teach it to calm the fuck down. You walk into a room and your brain screams, everyone's looking at me. Spoiler, they're not. They're too busy wondering if their fly's open or if they smell weird. This is called the spotlight effect. When your brain puts a giant flashlight on your every move, like you're on a stage. Reality check, you're not. You're just in the background of someone else's chaos. Here's proof. Think of one cringy thing someone else did last week. Bet you can't. We forget fast. Others forget you even faster. You're not a movie in their mind. You're a cameo. So do the thing. Trip. Laugh. Wear the stupid hat. No one's judging as hard as you think. And if they are, that's their personality flaw, not your problem. If your goal is look cool all the time, you're inviting anxiety and boredom. Confidence isn't about being smooth all the time. It's about not panicking when you're not. When you stop hiding from cringe, you unlock peace. Try this. Next time you feel awkward, double down. Make the joke first. Point it out. Laugh with them. Being comfortable looking dumb, that's god-tier social power. The more okay you are with looking weird, the less power judgment has over you. You don't need to feel confident to look confident. You need body language that fakes it until your brain catches on, because your body speaks first. Your brain listens after. Here's your cheat code. Straight spine, shoulders relaxed. Chin up. Breathe from your stomach, not your chest. Look people in the eye. Also, speak slower. Breathe deeper. You're not in a rap battle. You've got time. Confidence isn't loud, it's relaxed. Overthinking is a bully. It whispers dumb stuff like, don't say that, they'll hate you. Or, wait. So here's your weapon, the 3-second rule. If you feel the urge to say something, compliment someone, raise your hand, you've got 3 seconds. Say it, do it, before the brain weasels take over. Less thinking, more doing. That's the formula. Rejection isn't painful, the fear of it is. So let's kill the fear by getting rejected on purpose. Try this. Ask for a discount at Starbucks. Tell someone their shoelaces look heroic. Wear socks over sandals and own it. Every rejection you survive makes you bolder. Rejection training is like social armor. You don't get confidence by avoiding rejection. You get it by surviving it and realizing it's not that deep. The best way to stop giving a fuck. Fill your life with stuff that makes you forget to care. Get busy building something. Learn a skill. Chase a dream. Fix your sleep. Hit the gym. Draw weird frogs. Get obsessed with something. Coding, working out, collecting weird bottle caps. Doesn't matter. Purpose is louder than hate. Find something that makes you lose track of time, and you'll stop losing sleep over opinions. Not caring isn't about being rude or edgy, it's about being real. Real confidence isn't loud, it's quiet, calm. Being real doesn't mean being harsh. It means not apologizing for existing. You don't need to over-explain yourself or shrink to make others comfy. You just need to show up honest, consistent, and kind. Authenticity isn't shouting, I'm just honest, while roasting people. It's quiet self-respect. It's doing your thing without apology and without ego. Say no, say yes, leave the room if it sucks, laugh when it's funny. Be chill, not fake. People respect real, even if they don't always like it. You'll never be everyone's favourite person, and that's the good news. You only need to be your favourite person. Fix your mindset, move your body like a boss, act before your fear does. Embrace cringe, build stuff. Be kind, be you. You'll never control how people see you. That's just facts. But you can control how much power you give them. Start rewiring your brain. Know why you care. Break the fear loops. Use your body like a weapon. Take fast action. Practice rejection. Build your own lane. Be real, not perfect. That's how you stop giving a fuck the right way. You're not supposed to impress everyone. You're supposed to impress yourself. yourself. If this video made your brain say, yo, this is me, smash the like, maybe sub, or send it to that one friend who lives in constant overthink mode. And the next time you're in an awkward moment, smile and keep walking. You've got this.